This is a tutorial about how to put in the flight plan manually into the proFLIGHT app. First, you start with selecting flight plan at the top of the screen. Then the plus sign at the lower right-hand corner. And we start with the flight information, call sign, Scandinavian Airlines 708, in this case. Departure from Arlanda, destination Helsinki, destination alternate Turku, estimated time of departure 11:10, taxi time 15 minutes. Estimated en route time 40 minutes and estimated time of arrival 12:05. Select done. Next is route information, cruising level 290, no en route alternate, ATC data you can copy from a different app and paste, or you can just put it in manually. Done. Then aircraft performance, aircraft registration, Echo India Foxtrot Papa November, aircraft type CRJ 9, takeoff weight 38,000 kilograms, landing weight 33,640 kilograms, climb speed 290 knots or 0.77 Mach, cruising speed 0.77 Mach, descent speed 0.77 Mach or 290 knots. Done. When all the information is put in, you select activate, and here is the route to Helsinki. And that is how you put in a flight plan manually into the proFLIGHT app.